Welcome to the V-MAST training module, Creating a Profile. In this module, we are going to learn how to log into the V-MAST website and create a profile. Let's learn more. From the V-MAST website, click the blue Login button. You are directed to the Login page. In the first field, enter the username or email address associated with your V-MAST account. Next, enter the password you selected when creating your account. Click the blue Login button at the bottom. Because this is your first time logging in, you are directed to the Profile page. To begin working in V-MAST, you must create a profile. To create a profile, fill out the form. If at any time you have questions or concerns when filling out this form, contact your facilitator. Let's start at the beginning and work our way down the form. The first section is the personal section. Username, first name, and last name are already populated. Choose Avatar. Your avatar is displayed on various screens within the system. Click the button of the gender that applies to you. A window appears displaying a selection of avatars. Click on the avatar you wish to choose. Your selected avatar now displays. The next section is the Common section. Preferred roles. Click the checkbox next to the role you will be performing within V-MAST. Select all that apply. A checkmark appears indicating your selection. Add languages that you know. Click the plus sign button to add a language. A window appears. Under Select Language, type the name of the language you know in the search bar to find your language in the list. Highlight the language from the generated drop-down list and click it. Next, select your fluency level of this language. Click the radio button next to the fluency that best represents your skill level. Click the blue Add Language button to add this language to your form. The language is now listed on your form. Repeat this process for every additional language you need to add. Years of Bible translation. Click the radio button next to the selection that best represents your years of experience in Bible translation. Years of other translation or interpretation. Click the radio button next to the selection that best represents your years of experience in general translation or interpretation. Degree of Bible knowledge. Click the radio button next to the selection that best represents your degree of knowledge of the Bible. In how many MAST events have you participated? Click the radio button next to the selection that best represents the number of MAST events in which you have participated. What MAST roles have you executed before? Click the checkbox next to the MAST role for which you have previous experience. Check all that apply. A checkmark appears indicating your selection. How often have you worked in teams to produce something? Click the radio button next to the selection that best represents your frequency of working in teams. Depending on the preferred roles you selected above, more sections may appear on your form. Fill out any remaining sections, read the bold headers, and mark the selection or enter the information that best represents you. We're almost done with the form. Take a moment to review the details in your form. If everything looks correct to you, click the blue Save button. A confirmation message appears stating that your profile was updated successfully. You did it! You logged into V-MAST and created your profile. Now you are ready to explore the V-MAST user interface.